Hello everyone. I decided to go over the exit tickets for today's math and science. As I was looking at your work, I noticed that some of the students are making a big mistake on the type of angles. So it's better to go over it before we continue the lessons in future. At the beginning of the module, geometry module, we learned that we have three types of angles. Right angle, exactly 90 degrees, acute angle less than 90 degrees, and obtuse angle greater than 90 degrees. That was the beginning of lesson 2. Today's lesson was lesson 5, right? Continuous of the lesson 5. In this lesson, you learned more vocabulary words about angles, more types of angles. So you cannot keep using the words that you used before. If you're learning something new, you need to use those. Acute angles stays the same. Acute angle is, let me maximize this slideshow. Acute angle is still whatever angle that you have that is less than 90 degrees. So anything between 0 and less than 90 is your acute angle. We have a new definition for obtuse angle though. Obtuse angle is an angle that is bigger than 90 degrees and smaller than 180 from here to here, this half circle. Whatever is bigger than 90, smaller than 180, we call it obtuse angle, not whatever is bigger than 90. And if it is bigger than 180 degrees, so if it's bigger than this half circle, and it's smaller than full circle, we call it reflex angle. Look at that. This is your, always look for the arcs. This is your full circle. So this is, starts at 0, goes all the way to 360 degrees. This is your half circle. This is a straight angle, because look at this line. The angle is a straight line. That's what they call it, a straight angle. And reflex angle is between this and this. It's bigger than 180, smaller than 360. Yes? Let me quickly go over your exit ticket now. I'm going to go over the website. Okay. This is your exit ticket for today. Choose all the correct statements. Straight angle is less than 180 degrees. We talked about it right now. Straight angle is 180 degrees. It's not less. It's exactly 180 degrees. So this is the wrong answer, and 2 of you chose this answer, sadly. An acute angle is less than 90 degrees. Perfect. This is the correct answer. An obtuse angle is less than 180 degrees and more than 90 degrees. Perfect. Straight angle is 180 degrees. Perfect. I have 3 correct answers. I had friends who chose only 1 correct answer, friends who chose 2 correct answers, and only a few of you chose all 3 correct answers. Good for you. Next one shows you an angle, and this is your arc. I had friends who wrote down this is an acute angle. They look at here. There are 2 ways you know this is not an acute angle. First of all, it starts from 0, goes all the way till it gets here. I'm going to tell you what is the measurement in a second. And then you have your arc. Just look at it. Your arc shows that this is bigger than 180 and is smaller than 360, which is a reflex angle. The measurement, what made me upset was some of you assumed this is just exactly the same measurement of this one. You just wrote down 315 degrees. No loves, this is 300. The next one is 310 degrees, and the middle was 305 degrees. I think I had only 2 or 3 people who got the measurement correct. Now you see why I'm posting the answer key sooner than the end of the week. For this one, we were just supposed to write the names in order from left to right. This angle is bigger than 90, smaller than 180. This is an obtuse angle. This one is not a right angle because I didn't put a small square here, and the measurement starts from 0, goes all the way down to the 270. So it's a reflex angle. I'm really tired right now. This one is a full angle. It's 360 degrees, full circle. That was it. You would submit it. I'm just going to go quickly over your science exit ticket. You did a better job on the science exit ticket. Good job. What is weather? Write a complete sentence to answer. Weather is the day-to-day condition of atmosphere. And you had it right here. Someone who studies weather or is an expert on it is a paleontologist. We know paleontologist studies fossils. Meteorologist is the correct answer. Geologist studies earth. Zoologist studies animals. So answer is meteorologist, and the answer is right here. The one who studies it is weather or is expert at it is a meteorologist. Then I had what are the weather elements or factors that make every day better? Choose the correct list. These two are not complete lists. This one has water in it, which is not even correct. Wind temperature, air pressure, precipitation, cloud cover, and humidity are the correct answers. And you have them right here. I appreciate those of you who are working hard, keeping up with the remote learning. Nobody knows when we're going to go back to school, hopefully sooner than later. Those of you who are studying hard, you're going to have easier time graduating from 4th grade and have a successful time in 5th grade. So keep up the good work, loves. Every day you have just one slide. Most of the time you have just one slide in math, one slide in science, and it doesn't take that much time. If you were at school, you would have an hour of lesson and then you had some work to do, right? So this is really not too much. Just keep up the good work. I'm proud of you. I hope to see you soon. I miss everybody. Keep in touch with me. Tomorrow is the day that you're supposed to email, and then Thursday again. If you're confusing about anything, just email me, text me, send me a message over Dojo. You know that I'm going to get back to you. Have a great night. Hopefully I see your emails tomorrow. Bye-bye.